This is all the wood I cut up for boxes. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and then I have some baskets for some of the smaller trees that I drilled a bunch of holes in. I might put wood on the bottom of those too, just to keep them from falling over all the time. We'll see. We're gonna get started. Okay, I got the boxes made up. I'll show them to you here in a minute. I'm gonna put some different kinds of mesh on them to seal the bottoms up, and then we'll start potting up the trees. Here's some of the boxes. Here's all the boxes actually. There's one. They're all different sizes for the different trees. Let's put some mesh in them. We'll start with this one. Just going to cut a piece of screen the size I want, and then this one can just sit in there. I'm not going to attach it in any way. Right about there. This should be using a razor knife, the right size that the soil won't push through it. It's a crazy tree, but it's got cool bark. That was all I saw when I started collecting it, and then, you know, I got the rest of this. I was pretty unhappy once I saw it, but I had already started, so it had to come out with me. This one's gonna go in here. I'm going to run some wire on this one. This pot, I think I'm just going to run the wire underneath and up and over. This one's simple. How am I doing so far away from myself? Like I can't move it. Next tree is this big beast. It's a maple. Good movement. Contemplating cutting all the way back to this branch, but this branch is pretty beat up. It doesn't have a lot of good buds on it. Oh, this is what I cut off of it. So, that's the tree. There's the cut. Feed that to the dogs. I feel like this branch should get cut too, but I think I need to leave something on. Get it open this thing up. Lost a lot of the soil when I got this one, so I packed a bunch of leaves and stuff in there to keep it moist now. how that one's gonna live. Okay, got all of the Yamdori trees potted up. They're all pretty cool. They're all tied down really well. This little one was an extra that was growing in with another tree. This one has some really cool movement. There's my son's little hornbeam he collected. It's a big monster short leaf. This one's got some cool movement and bark down here at the bottom. There's the maple. There's the old gnarly one. One more little one down here. Alright, that's another Yamdori adventure down. They're all potted up. Hopefully they'll survive. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.